Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, calling and visiting. Those are two marketing steps you may not have thought much about lately. In fact, you might think that they're outdated. Those are kind of old-fashioned. But I'm here to make a case for them, for you to reconsider them if you're not doing them. And that is to say, oh, by the way, my wife and I saw a comedian. He did a whole bit on this and how in the old days people would stop over unannounced and the whole family was excited and the company was coming over. Today, he said, people would be shocked by that. They're hiding in their house thinking, who are these unexpected guests? Well, it was a funny bit, but I will say this. I still believe that talking to someone on the phone, making a contact that way, or visiting the actual location can be very, very powerful steps. Not that you need to take them all the time, but when you do, they can really be effective. Because you think about it, that one-on-one communication, there's not much like that. It's much different than, an email, right? So make sure to consider keeping that to be a part of it. I don't care if it's construction sites, going around business developments, and stopping in and introducing yourself. Maybe if you already have them as a prospect, dropping off an updated certificate of insurance or something updated like some new piece of equipment, making excuses maybe to have an opportunity, not to push hard on them selling, but to start to have them see you and meet you and talk to you. They'll start to think about you as a real option for someone to call because they're familiar with you. Calling, visiting, something to think about. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.